Right now we're standing in the Zephyr Wind Services fabrication area. A lot of times generators will come in with an unsightly condition that's taken place up tower. The fabrication area that's able to diagnose, reverse engineer, and rebuild or replace a part or a component that's failed that may be months, a year lead time from the OEM.
The beauty of having a fabrication shop in-house is that when you need special tooling built, for example, this is a rotor stand for an Hitachi rotor, we can design it, machine the components as needed, and then bring to the fab shop in which we can weld. We have MIG welding, TIG welding, we have plasma cutting, and it's a great opportunity to design and build special tooling with. We can perform any type of wind turbine generator repair as needed. And that's very important when providing our customers immediate response for their needs. We're excited to offer a full-service machine shop as well as a full-service fabrication shop. The machine shop is key for when machining requirements on the generator rotor are required.
I am born and bushed in ABB N-Bell.
ABB N-Bell, okay.
Yep, for an ABB 1.5. So if they do not fall into spec or they're visually damaged, then we need to bring them to the machine shop and repair them to spec.
The Zephyr fabrication area saves so much time. We're able to get a part back in the generator and the generator back to the customer in a fraction of the time that it would take for a part to come from overseas from the OEM.